You know, I don't like wearing gloves, but when I do, you know, it's for a reason. So I'm about to show you something that probably you never seen. So this customer came to repair his phone, the back camera. Let me show you the camera. So when you open it, right, it's, you see like the black spot and everything. Now look at this phone. It's hair all over. And look at this case. How gross is this? Let's clean this up and fix this problem. He's being cheap about buying a case, so we have to clean this too. I told him to buy the case, but he's like, I have some in the house. Come on, man, stop the cap. We both know, like, you don't have anything in the house. You never do. Just don't want to buy it. You're being cheap. Time to fix back camera. The moment you all have been waiting. Let's check now. Camera. Look at this. All the black spot is gone. And look at this, beautiful now. Nice, huh? Yep, and the case.